Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick pocket dump. Start off on the wrist. Yeah, just a paracord bracelet with brown and black. Next, front right pocket is Kershaw Clash and partial serrated. And in the pocket is my phone. Same phone. Front left, car keys. On the car keys, you got your keyless remote, door the key, key to start the car. We got the Leatherman style and a little Leatherman flashlight. Pretty bright. Down in the pocket is Cold Steel Mini Tough Light. Nice little secondary blade. And then I forgot to say on the keys is paracord fob. And then finally back left, clip to the pocket. Something I just got today. It's the Streamlight Stylus Pro in black. I already have the one in orange, but today I decided I like the black one, so got a black one. So it's really bright. So that's right in the back right pocket, clip to the pocket, and down in the pocket is just my wallet. And that's it. So that's just a simple pocket dump, and we'll see you guys later.